Let's begin the presentation about asexual and sexual. What is asexual and sexual reproduction? First, let's talk about asexual. Asexual reproduction is a form of reproduction in which a single parent creates genetically identical offspring without the involvement of sex cells or fertilization. This process, which is essentially production without sex, relies on cell division like mitosis and results in the formation of clones that are exact genetic copies of the parent. Example of asexual production: a tomato plant can grow new plants through its tuber eyes. It only needs one parent. Now, let's talk about sexual reproduction. What is sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is a biological process where two individuals produce offspring by combining the genetic material through reproductive cells called gametes, like sperm and egg, to form a new, genetically unique organism. This genetic diversity or genetic variation provides an evolutionary advantage by increasing a species' ability to adapt to new environment or resist disease and predators. Let's give one example of sexual reproduction. An example of sexual reproduction in a person is when a mother and father have a baby. The father's sperm cells joins with the mother's egg cells to form a new human being. The generation of asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Let's go to the generation of asexual reproduction first. Sexual reproduction, fragmentation, and generation. In this type, an organism breaks into pieces, fragments, and each piece can grow into a new organism through generation. Example: starfish. When a starfish loses an arm, it can generate and form a new starfish. Now, let's go to the generation of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. In humans, a male sperm cell joins with a female's egg cell to form a baby. Example, humans. In flowering plants, a pollen or male cell from the another joins with the egg cell in the ovary to form seeds. Example, rose or mango plant. The generation of parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis, a type of sexual production where an egg develops into a new organism without being fertilized by a sperm. Example, bees or Komodo dragons. Thank you for listening.